All right, the drink we're about to make is an apricot cocktail. First thing we're going to do, take our ice here and pour it in the glass. And we're going to do a teaspoon of gin. So let's just measure that out here. About 1 teaspoon. There we go. And we're going to do a full shot of apricot brandy. There we are. Just take 2 lemon wedges. That should probably be enough. There's one. And go ahead and throw them in there. Let's grab a second one here. And also 1/4 of an orange. So just grab a couple orange wedges. Do the same thing. Squeeze that in. There we go. And let's mix it up real good. Get everything mixed together. And let's see if we can get this off here. There we go. And we're going to strain everything into a cocktail glass and pretty much serve as a shot. You can give a straw if you want. There you go. Bottoms up.